Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool Channel. On the bench today, we have the EXTECH Instruments EM100 energy logger. This is a data logging machine that you plug in, a device, I should say. If you want to have an appliance or have some kind of machinery at home that operates on 120 volts that you want to keep data on how much energy it uses, this is what this device is for. This device was released in July of 2009. I don't know if EXTECH still sell these or not, but I'm sure if you wanted one, you can find one probably online. It may not be under this brand name, but it looks the same probably, but it might be under another name. This won't be a real long video because there's not too much that I can really show you about this, but I'll go into as much detail as I possibly can with it. Right now, I'm gonna zoom in and just let you see what's on the screen. I got it plugged into my Variac right here, and I got it putting out 120 well, it was on 120 volts at the moment. So I'm gonna plug something in it, the space heater, and just show you what it does. It'll give you the reading, the watts, and everything else like that. It runs off of, let me see the battery. It's one of those cell type batteries. Let me see, I had it here. Yeah, it's a CR1620. It's a 3-volt battery that it runs off of. And with the SD card, this is the SD card right here. Let me just show you guys. And I bought that myself, but you have to purchase the SD card separately, memory card separately, and it records up to 5 months of data, and then it'll download it on an SD card, and then you play it into your computer to show you all kinds of graphs and so on and so forth. But you must have the software to make it work properly. I don't have the software or anything like that. I bought this. I hope it works. I plugged it in the wall, and everything seemed to be working fine. I still don't know about if it works, if I program it or not, because I didn't buy it brand new. I bought it mainly because I was curious about it. Here's the box that it came in. I wrote the year. I did some research. So I wrote the year so I wouldn't forget. So, but this is the box. And I'll read some more data off of it, what it says about it before I do the test. All right, it says, let me see. It says it reduces electrical costs by identifying power robbing appliances and equipment. It says calculate electrical costs per week, per month, or year. Internal memory records up to 5 months of data and transfer it to a PC for graphical analysis using SD card. That's what you sold separately. It's an easy-to-use software, simplifies analysis and reporting. Also check power quality parameters such as voltage, current, frequency, watts, volt amps, and power factor. See data captured period 60 seconds and support single and dual level utility pricing. Complete with rotating plug socket. Say the CR1620 battery and PC software. Well, the software didn't come in here in this box, and I had to buy the batteries also. So let's just hope that it works. And it also, let me give you some more information on it. Reading from the manual here, they say operating voltage is 120 volts, AC 50 to 60 hertz. Maximum connected power is 1400 watts, 1.8 kilowatts. Maximum current is 12 amps. Operating temperature 50 to 122 Fahrenheit. Battery type CR1620. It's a 3-volt battery. Fuse type. It's a 12 amp, 125 volt slow blow. Cost setting range 0.001 to 9.999. Also has power load display 0.001 to 9999 watt hours max. Accuracy 10 watts to 3500 watts. And that's 1% plus 1 digit, 3 watts to 10 watts. 3 watts to 10 watts, 1% plus 1 digit, 3 watts to 10 watts, 1% plus 1 digit, 3 watts to 10 watts, 1% plus 1 digit, 3 watts to 10 watts, 1% plus 1 digit, 3 watts to 10 watts, 1% plus 1 digit, 3 watts to 10 watts, 1% plus 1 digit, 3 watts to 10 watts, 1% plus 1 digit, 3 watts to 10 watts, 1% plus 1 digit, 3 watts to 10 watts, 1% plus 1 digit, 3 watts to 10 watts, 1% plus 1 digit, 3 watts to 10 watts, 1% plus 1 digit, 3 watts to 10 watts, 1% plus 1 digit, 3 watts to 10 watts, 1% plus 1 digit, 3 watts to 10 watts, 1% plus 1 digit, 3 watts to 10 watts, 1% plus 1 digit, 3 watts to 10 watts, 1% plus 1 digit, 3 watts to 10 watts, 1% plus what is that? 1% to 3 digits. Okay, so let me just get into it to show you guys just how this tester works. Let me try to move the camera a little bit so I can. So I'm gonna plug this space heater up, and okay, just give you guys an idea how it works. Okay, here we go. Let me kind of put it on, zoom in just a little so you guys can see. All right. So I'm gonna turn the space heater on. And you watch for the amp right now have the correct hertz and the voltage. So let me see if it. Matter of fact, it went up. So it's giving me 110 amps, 107 volts right now. So let me lower this and see if the voltage, if the amperage goes down. I had the fan, the heater on maximum temperature. So let me see what happened. I guess once it loads up. But anyway, that's what you see on the display. And you should be able to, let me try to toggle through some of these, trying to get this heater for it when we're burning me. So this is on the side right here is where you place the SD card at, and it goes in like, let me back up some guys. I got it too close. It goes like this. I'm trying to keep it plugged in at the same time. It goes like this. Okay. And on the back here is when you unscrew and put the battery at. This rotates, for example, if you have to have it like that in your outlet, you can, because this part here rotates. Let me just kind of show you. See, I'm gonna see how it twists. If you just need it to be, if this was the way you would plug it in, you can have it like that, or like that. Let me try to toggle through some of these. The mode button is right here. Okay, it gives you the, let me just get right here so I won't be in you guys' way. Okay, I don't know what happened here. I think it reached the temperature. Okay. Well, anyway, I still have it plugged in, and tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take it out of the Variac and put it into the mains. That way we'll get some real power. Okay, let me turn some light back on. All right, guys, turn some light back on. There we are. So that's now letting you, for example, I don't have a program, but that's how much the total cost would be, kilowatt hours, and so on and so forth. Let me just zoom a little bit closer, you guys, to see how it looks. That what comes up, a consumption, kilowatt hours, but you have to program it yourself. And it tells you how much it's charging you, how much you'll be charged, or how much energy this device is using. Okay, so I could toggle through again, and that's the history of kilowatts, like memory. So remember, it'll hold five months worth of data, depending on the size of memory that's on the SD card that you have. But they mentioned that you only can have a certain amount, certain size. I think it was like one. Let me see what it says on here. Yeah, 1 GB. This is let me back up so I can show you. This one says 1 GB. This is the size of SD card they want you to have when you're using this. Okay, so we go again. We saw that one already. That's the timer, which is a nice setting too. Remember, I haven't programmed it yet. I intend to though. After the video, I'll mess around with it, but I'm trying to show you guys this. All right, there we go. It's giving you, it returns back, and you use this to toggle either up or down with, or out. Okay. So it's a pretty decent little gadget. Don't get me wrong. I really, it's a gadget, but I bought it because I always was curious about this one, about this device, and I found it for a really good price that I couldn't pass up. And I also thought it'd be for some good content, for you guys to check out. But it doesn't have a backlight. No, it don't. And it takes, it has the 120 volt NEMA plug here. Let me turn this off and plug it. 120 volt. This sucker's on here. 120 volt NEMA plug on here for the ground. And besides this, the battery here. Matter of fact, let me just open it up for you since we're talking about it. One second. Okay. That's the battery. Okay, this is the little battery right here. So, this is how it looks. Be careful when you're putting it in. They have these two little contactors right here that slides down in the hole. You don't want to damage those if you were to get one and trying to bend them. But it's the battery. That's the information on the back. Okay. ETL. Okay, listed. And that's about it. It's not much to it. It's not much to it at all. But it's a handy little device. I just couldn't see myself going out spending over $100, or I don't even know if I spend $50 for it. If it's brand new and it's working and you need this type of instrument, of course I'll do it. You need it. But, or else if you got a nice multimeter, that data logs, it'll tell you a lot of stuff if you knew how to read the kilowatt hours and all. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to put something out for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You can just hit the like button or hit the dislike button. Let me know that you are viewing. I tell you what. Also, why don't you just just let me know where you're from. That's all. Put your flag up when you don't have to reply. I just want to see how far my video goes around the world. You don't say anything at all. You give a thumbs up if you like, and your country flag. That's all. I just want to see just how far that my videos go out. Guys, I want to thank you. Until next time, you guys take care. Peace out.